everybody. What a wonderful species of bird that we're looking at now, the wild kea or mountain parrot. Here are some photos that were kindly shared to us through Leanne Hollyoak. And we have Cameron Parks here from Camerals that are looking at the wonderful captive kea that are housed in a zoological collection in Leicestershire. They're absolutely fascinating. They've got the famous hooked bill, which is often over 5 centimetres in length. Very much a ground-dwelling bird that is playful and, let's say, young at heart and full of character. They're renowned for being an incredibly intelligent bird, being heavily studied at the University of Vienna in captive conditions to see and assess the behaviour and the intelligence level of these birds, which is at the top end of the parrot family indeed. They belong to a parrot family of only 3, and we have the kea, we also have the kaka and the kakapo. And the kakapo is a very interesting bird that is very much a family-driven bird that likes human company, as most of the species of the kea. Listen out for the next clip and you'll hear the younger kea calling or communicating.
Parrot.